Hello everyone and welcome to Higher Horizons, your gateway to advanced learning. I am Dr. Shivshankar Mali, an assistant professor at School of Civil Engineering and Environmental Sciences, JSPM University, Pune. Today we celebrate World Environment Day, established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1973. This day is the largest international event focused on the environment, coordinated by the UN Environment Programme. This year's theme, Our Land, Our Future. We are Generation Restoration underscores the urgent need to restore degraded land, combat desertification, and enhance resilience to drought. Land restoration involves the process of restoring ecosystems to their natural state and improving their productivity and biodiversity. Desertification is the degradation of land in arid, semi-arid, and dry sub-humid areas due to various factors, including climatic variations and human activities. Drought refers to a prolonged period of abnormally low rainfall leading to a shortage of water. Currently, up to 40% of world's land is degraded, affecting around 3.2 billion people. By 2050, it's projected that over three quarters of the world's population will be impacted by drought. These alarming statistics highlight the need for immediate action. This year's World Environment Day is particularly significant as it precedes the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification COP16, which will be held in December 2024. This conference is expected to be the largest ever international gathering on land and drought, focusing on vital discussions and policies needed to combat these critical issues. As a civil engineer, I have witnessed the profound impact of sustainable practices in land restoration. From designing efficient water management systems to developing infrastructure that combats land degradation, our field is pivotal in these efforts. As an alumnus of NIT Warangal, I am proud to see our institute campaigning initiatives like the Miyawaki Mini Forest Project. Additionally, one of my PhD scholars is working with river restoration research. Through sustainable urban planning and green infrastructure, we can effectively mitigate desertification and enhance resilience to climate change. These experiences highlight the crucial role of civil engineering in fostering a sustainable future. We all have a part to play in protecting our environment and restoring our lands. As a common man, we need to take simple actions like planting trees, reducing water usage, sustainable agricultural practices, and few other supporting sustainable practices can make a significant difference. Let's take this World Environment Day as a call to action. Share this video, spread the word, and join the movement for a sustainable future. Together we are Generation Restoration. In conclusion, World Environment Day reminds us of our responsibility to restore our land and protect our future. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Higher Horizons for more insights and advanced learning opportunities. Thank you.